Today we're gonna fix that temporary hillbilly fix that I did on my spark plugs. Got a box here from Summit Racing. Let's see what's inside. Some other junk too. This is gonna be our fix. Ooh, 20 horsepower. It should not be this cold out here. I got Taylor because all the old guys use them. I had these on my old Firebird. Those old blue wires that I got the 90-degree angles from that are on here now were Taylor wires. They did just fine. There's nothing wrong with them. They were on the car for a while. So these are for the LS. Let's see what we got here. And they got a 45-degree boot for the top and a 45-degree boot at the bottom. Let's put them on and see how they do. It should not be this cold out, but we're in God's country. We in the South. So let's see what we're working with here. If you remember on the last video, I made these little hillbilly, whatever you want to call it, free fix with stuff I just had laying around to fix. I had a little misfire, and I just used little 90-degree boots, and they kind of made into 45s. Fix the misfire, but little hillbilly, they actually don't look that bad. I ain't gonna lie, they actually don't look that bad. But everything's gonna be matching now, and nothing should touch the header after this. So let's get to it. I should also say, if you did not see the last video, these are Speed Engineering LS swap headers. Oh, it's extra cold, so when you hit your fingers, it extra hurts. So here's what we're swapping to. Here's what it was originally on here, and here's what we're going to. All because we want long tube headers, and it requires something like this, a 45 or a 90. We're gonna put these guys on. So there we have it. They are all in there. They're a little longer than I would like them, I guess. It's fine. But the important part is I can almost stick my finger in between there. I can stick part of it in there. We are not touching the header, and that was the biggest issue I had, was right here. Because that's the one that was actually arcing, and the other ones are just burning through. This one's perfectly fine. And then we had one over here, and I can stick a finger in between there. We're good. Perfect. This is good. This is good. Didn't create any new issues. Let's fire it up. Let's see what happens. See what kind of misfire we got now. Other than a squeaky belt, that's a wind. It's like 30 degrees out here. I'm gonna defrost this window, and we're gonna take it for a ride. In the South, we don't have ice scrapers. we have old Valvoline cans. And 2x4s. I really gotta fix that squeak. Feel like I hear something? I knew it. Good thing it didn't shift, but no misfire. In on the 4th gear. That'll change once it warms up. My little turnaround spot here. So the thing that I would see with the misfire is typically sitting in traffic. By now I would have heard a couple little misfires, just a little tick tick, tick 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 tick, tick tick, and this thing would start shaking a little bit. We're good. We're good. Let's see if this transmission will shift into 2nd gear now. Getting fixed here hopefully in another week or 2, maybe, well, 2 or 3 weeks. Next week and I'm pulling the transmission. We got a guy here locally that's going to do it, really good price. Also in 79, got 1 speed. That's that. It's either on or off. So this is just a short one for fixing a fix for a fix. Started out with the misfire, replaced the boot on the original plugs. That fixed it temporarily. Now we got a full fix of brand new wires. So if you like content like this, please subscribe for more, hit that like button, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Take it easy. Just wants to go, and it goes straight.